Hello and welcome back to Be. My name is Kaya and today we're going to be doing a product feature of our whole chakra mist and candle. So these ones are specially correlated to the Gemini astrological sign and the Sacral or Svadhishthana Chakra. First, I'd like to go over the ingredients of these precious products, and then we can go into the depths of what it means to be a Gemini and what the sacral chakra is all about. So the ingredients of the whole chakra mist are purified artesian well water from Olympia, Washington, sandalwood, jasmine, cardamom, and rose Bulgarian essential oils, and these are organic and wild harvested, as well as orange calcite, moonstone, and carnelian gemstones. And it might be hard to see on camera right now, but you can see the little stones in the bottom there. And these work really well, not only energetically to amplify the powers of this product, but also to help combine the oil and the water, because as we know, oil and water don't like to mix. So the stones, when you mix, help to turn it all into this beautiful potion, so that when you spray it, you get a perfect mixture of the oil and the water. And I'll demonstrate that for you now. Shake it up really good. And you can spray it on you, you can spray it in your home or on your pillow or in your meditation space. The world is your oyster for how you choose to use your bee products, but I love to spray them on me because they smell divine, so why wouldn't I? I love the scent of this one. It's a really nice balance between the more heavier scents and the lighter scents. It's somewhere in between like the spicy, more hearty smelling scents and like the light florals. It's right there in the middle, so I could see a lot of people really liking this one. I think this is a people pleaser for sure. And I always pay special care to deeply inhale all the good energy and the scent of the bee sprays when I use them, and then I exhale out any negative energy or blockages in my body, and I always feel a dramatic energy shift when I do that, and I end up smelling lovely, which is a nice little bonus, right? I think the balance of the sandalwood and the jasmine together is where you get that heavier and that lighter, just perfect duality. So yeah, I think you guys will like this one. And the candle has the exact same essential oils, also with organic coconut oil and beeswax, and it smells just as divine, so you and your room can smell like heaven. So I want to talk a little bit about the gemstones and what their properties are. So here we have the orange calcite, the carnelian, and the moonstone. So orange calcite is said to enhance creativity and promote self-esteem and passion within the body. Moonstone is a particularly very powerful stone that helps us to align with the energies of the moon, as well as to increase our intuition and our connection to the higher powers and our higher sense of self. And lastly, carnelian helps to promote an expansive perspective on life and also to increase our energy levels, because who doesn't want that, right? So what exactly is the sacral chakra? Well, it is the second up from the lowest of the 7 chakras of the body, located approximately 3 inches below the belly button. And it is the ruler of our emotions and our feelings and how we feel that inside of our physical body. And one of the things I love about the bee mists and candles is they come with an affirmation to help attune the specific chakra that they work with. So the whole mist and candle have the affirmation, I am whole, I feel. Now, this works really well with this chakra because it's about feelings and emotions, right? So this affirmation tells you and your chakra to move past any blockages that you might have in the energy field of your sacral area, and to help alchemize that into positive energy that is flowing naturally and as it should. And what exactly does it mean to be a Gemini? Well, Geminis are the astrological sign of people who are born between May 21st and June 21st. They are one of the 3 air signs and arguably one of the more fun and passionate ones. Air signs tend to be very fast-moving, dynamic people that are very smart and sharp. Some of the strong suits of Geminis are that they are adaptable, outgoing, and very intelligent. But on the flip side, some of the things that Geminis may struggle with is being indecisive, unreliable, and impulsive. In my personal experience of the Geminis that I know, they tend to be some of the most fun and adventurous people out there, but they're also very quick-moving and can kind of be hard to keep up with at times. All working together in harmony, the specially curated ingredients of our candle and mist are sure to help alchemize any negative energies running around in your head or in your body, and they work especially well with the Sacral chakra and the Gemini astrological sign. But we want to stress that our products can work with anyone, beginner to advanced in their spirituality, or young or old, Gemini or not. These products work for you on your time in the way you want them to, and there's no right or wrong way to use them. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us on the b-im.com contact page. You can also drop a comment down below on this video, and we'd love to know how you use your bee products. So feel free to drop a photo on Instagram and use the hashtag BeeSoulTribe so that we can see it and reach out to you. Thank you so much and have a blessed day.